How to block someone on LinkedIn. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on your LinkedIn. So let's get started. Open up your LinkedIn app and then find the person that you want to block. You can search for the name and then tap on it, and once you find it, you can see three dots in the right hand side beside connect. Just tap on it, and then you can see report or block. Tap on it and then tap on block. So confirm it. And that's it. The person has been blocked. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.